Alexa, play Skyrim Very Special Edition.
Welcome back to Skyrim, Adventurer. You scroll through your journal menu for a refresher on your quest. You agreed to help an imperial beekeeper by retrieving her family heirloom from a dense forest. You were about to decide where to go. There are two paths before you, an old hunting trail and a craggy hill. Which do you choose?
The hunting trail. What's up guys, Brady here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Amazon Echo Show. So I actually picked this up for my dorm room in college, since I love using my regular Echoes for music, and I got so plugged into the Amazon calling ecosystem that it finally justified picking something up to do video chats. So here obviously you have a much bigger screen, especially more so than the smaller Echo Spot, which of course makes for a much better audio experience. And with Prime Day coming up, as always, you can bet that there will be some absolutely great deals on this thing coming up. And for those of you who don't know, this is actually the first Amazon Echo device with a screen. It was launched in May of 2017, and while that may sound like it's old, the original Echo, which was launched in 2014-ish technically, sold for several years beyond its release date. So Amazon doesn't tend to update these quite as often, but that means they're obsolete less quickly, which is always a good thing. Apple. But basically this new screen allowed for this to do all of the things that the other Echoes were capable of, but in a much more visible way. Now, this is operated mostly through Alexa, but this time around you can also control the interface using the touchscreen. But this touchscreen will also allow you to do things that the Echo was not previously capable of before, like watching content from Amazon Prime Video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into this thing. Alright, so right off the bat, we've got this little seal here on the gap in the box. A little bit difficult to get out. Come on. Oh, because guess what? There's another seal on the bottom. Who knew? Okay, so now we should be able to get this out, and because I'm OCD, I'm going to take this off symmetrically from the top. Okay, so now we have this black box here. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive right into this now. Oh, guess what? More seals. Good thing I have this butter knife. Let's go ahead and dive in. Alright, and right off the bat here we have our Echo Show. And it is in a wrapped up plastic, so let's go ahead and take care of this, set this off to the side. See what else you get in the box here. You got this piece of paper there, quick start guide. Let me move this where you actually see everything. And you have your power adapter, which looks to be the exact same as what's on my other Echoes, so that's convenient. All right, let's go ahead and push all this packaging off to the side here and get this puppy set up. All right, so let's go ahead and peel the plastic off here. Love that sound and that feeling. Okay. Set this down here, and we've got this piece of plastic over the speaker grill, which just comes right off. Alright, let's go ahead and plug this baby up. So the setup for this should be mostly like any other Echo. Oh. Yep. Sounds like it.
Your Amazon Echo Show is ready for setup.
Hiding the Wi-Fi. Alright, so we've got the Wi-Fi connected now. Gotta sign into that Amazon account here. Let me just enter these credentials here. Just look away for a moment.
2 hours later.
Alright, so we've got the device registered now. So, let's go ahead and continue. Yes, my time zone is Central Daylight Time. Continue. I like the satisfying beep it has after you finish everything. It's pretty fun, actually. Let me just move this right here so you can actually hear me. Alright. So we've got a little short intro video here, so I guess let's just play that.
Introducing Amazon Echo Show.
Huh.
It's everything you love about Alexa, but now she can show you things. Make hands-free video calls to friends and family. Ready for some music? Echo Show fills the room with bold stereo sound. You can watch movie trailers, or even watch your favorite shows and movies from Amazon Video. Enjoy your new Echo Show from Amazon.
Yeah, the intro video was pretty simple, just explained the basics of what an Echo does and what you can do with it. Yeah, makes sense, so I'm going to hit no thanks on the Amazon Music because I am a bold supporter of Spotify. Oh. And just like that,
Your Echo Show is ready.
We're set up. let's go ahead and try a few things out. So I'm going to point the mic at the Echo Show and let you hear some music. That's about mid-volume, by the way. Let's crank it up a bit. You know, as a person who owns 2 full-size Echoes, like this speaker setup here really does surprise me. I really did not expect the amount of quality packed into that right there. So this actually has Dolby Digital speakers inside, which explains the powerful punching sound right there. All right, so I actually have Amazon Prime Video, so let's go ahead and try to watch a movie. Alexa, play Star Trek Beyond. All right, so let's go ahead and try some of the video controls. Alexa, skip ahead 30 minutes.
No. If I'm reading this correctly, intruders are taking that.
Alexa, skip ahead an hour. Alexa, go home. So let's go ahead and try out some of the more basic commands you throw at it on a daily basis. Alexa, weather in Huntsville.
Right now in Huntsville, Alabama, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies.
Yeah, passes the test there. All right, so 2 of the major features that Amazon touts with the Echo Show are the video calling feature and the feature called Drop-In. So we're gonna go ahead and try out a few of those now. Call Dad.
Calling Dad.
Hey, what's up?
Working on the computer, what are you doing?
So you're calling from an Echo Spot, aren't you?
Yes.
Okay, wow, it's coming through really nicely.
Good.
Yeah? Well, thanks for...
My phone rang too as well, so I could have answered you on either one.
Yeah? That's what's interesting. It's like integrated with the entirety of like your, anything that you have an Alexa app on, you can actually answer your call or make a call from it. And it works with the Echo devices in conjunction. So, yeah, I'm actually, I'm pretty impressed with this. I think I'll use this a lot at college.
Yeah, we could drop in on you.
That's not terrifying at all.
Kidding.
Okay.
Bye.
Wow. Yeah, that actually works pretty well. So one thing you may have picked up on is the fact that he said he could drop in on me during college, and the reason that's so terrifying is because drop-in is a feature built into all Echoes where essentially if you have permission, one Echo can literally just activate the other in a instant call, so I don't have to accept the call. He could literally drop in on me all of a sudden with no notice. That does mean that if you want to use this for something like a baby monitor or something just to like check on your house as a security camera, you can do that as well. And of course you do have your home screen here, which is a collection of Prime photos, and you can actually set a wallpaper or a gallery / album of wallpapers to cycle through, which is quite nice. And you've got the weather forecast over there, and you've got the date and the time. So basically you could also use this as anything from a dashboard to an alarm clock, which I will definitely use it as. Alright, so that is the Amazon Echo Show, and you can pick one up for... Alexa, how much does an Amazon Echo Show cost? $229. But with this going on sale so much, you'll often find it for a sale price of $150, which is likely what it will be on Prime Day, although it could be even less. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up our first look and unboxing of the Amazon Echo Show. If you enjoyed this video or even found it helpful, definitely consider leaving a like below and sharing this with someone who might be interested in picking one up. Are you an owner of an Amazon Echo Show? Are you interested in picking one up for yourself, possibly even on Prime Day? What do you think of the Amazon Echo Show? Feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know. And as always, see you in the next one.
You move deeper into the forest. Clouds cover the sun and the forest suddenly feels unnerving. An adoring fan has been stalking you for weeks. He's harmless but so annoying. He really needs to die. The adoring fan tries to give you a hug. You take 5 damage. What would you like to do?